Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Digital Smart Hub. I am Mohammed Usman and today we are diving into the dynamic world of digital marketing. If you are looking to boost your online presence, connect with your audience and take your business to new heights, you are in the right place. Digital marketing is the game changer and I am here to guide you through the essentials. Gone are the days of traditional marketing, billboards, prints, ads, and radio spots. In the digital era, it is all about creating meaningful connections with your audience, and digital marketing is the key to unlocking that potential. Whatever you have, a small business owner, content creator, just someone with a passionate to share, digital marketing empowers you to reach people globally 24 by 7. Did you know that over 4 billion people are active on social media? That is a massive audience waiting to discover what you have to offer. But how do you stand out in this digital crowd? That is where digital marketing strategies come into play. We will be exploring a variety of channels from search engine optimization, that is SEO, to social media marketing, email campaigns, and much more. Each channel plays a unique role in building your brand and engaging your audience. I will be breaking down complex concepts into easy to understand nuggets, sharing actionable tips and bringing in experts to share their insights. By the end of our journey together, you will be armed with the knowledge to supercharge your online presence, inshallah. So let's start with the digital marketing overview, and after that I will tell you the contents of digital marketing. Today is the class of digital marketing introduction. So let's start.